The most chaotic week in store you see on your timeline today. So I had 1 hour to get ready for this school event that we had this night. It's a dinner party, and your girl needs to look good now. I guess look good. So I decided to pop on this wig, and I was pushing back my edges so that I can lay this wig well. Now this one no gree just no gree stay back. Not me looking like Grwm's sister. Sha. Anyways, I grabbed my got to be spray and I sprayed the head down. You guys spray it, let it dry, push it down with your comb and lay it down. Now this is where the confusion started from. I was like, should I do a C part? I say, okay, let me just go for middle part. Yeah, this one they give stress. To not give me stress, I'll do it simple, bada bing, bada boom, you're done. You get, I can't say, maybe I should add bangs, let me give you style now. But I rest. I rest though. I decided to lay my edges, I use my glue to lay this down. I grab my hair wax and I started pushing back the hair. If the hot comb is not hot, it will not work. Oh. Let it burn you. We are here for try and error. We'll fail, we'll try, we'll win, we'll try again. That's how we go. So let it be hot to burn you. But though my mom will always say, beauty always comes with pain. That's a very bad advice. But anyways, I saw this TikTok hack. I said, let me try it. And this one worked really well. But this, hey God, don't do this, please. If you have that spritz that they use for hair, you can do it. But don't use this spritz because this just left white cast. Like it was giving whitener, Snow White, But I really didn't have time to just fix this. I just had to go like that. I had 1 hour to get ready, remember? So this is how I looked. This is the finished look. And yeah, bye.